Did you know you can build a real electric motor using simple things from your home? In this video, I'll show you step by step how electricity becomes motion. It all began in 1821 with the British scientist Michael Faraday. In 1821, Michael Faraday discovered that electricity and magnetism could create motion. His discovery became the foundation of every electric motor today. The first electric motor was simple, but it changed human history forever. Inside the wire, billions of electrons move together, carrying electrical energy through the circuit. And when electricity flows through the coil, a magnetic field appears around it. The magnetic fields push and pull against each other, generating rotational force. The first electric motor was extremely simple compared to modern motors, but it proved something revolutionary. Electricity could be transformed into movement. Today, the same principle powers cars, drones, fans, factories, and even space technology. To build this motor, we only need a copper wire, a battery, 2 paper clips, and a magnet. These simple parts can create real rotational motion. First, we create the motor coil. The copper wire must be wrapped several times to store magnetic energy when electricity passes through it. The paper clips work like supports and electrical contacts at the same time. Now we place the magnet under the coil. And now the magic happens. When electricity flows through the wire, it creates a magnetic field. The interaction between the coil and the magnet produces force, making the motor spin. Electric current flowing through the copper wire creates a magnetic field around the coil. The magnet below also has its own magnetic field. When these magnetic fields interact, a force is generated. That force pushes the coil continuously, transforming electrical energy into rotational motion. If we flip the magnet, the motor changes direction. This happens because the magnetic force is reversed. Small changes in the magnetic field can completely change the motor behavior, and that's how electric motors work. Today, the same principle powers cars, drones, fans, factories, and even space technology. From tiny toys to giant industrial machines, electric motors became one of the most important inventions in human history. And that's how electric motors work. Simple physics can create incredible machines. If you enjoyed this experiment, subscribe for more engineering and science projects.